In today's fast-paced world, the allure of trading can often feel overwhelming. But fear not, because there is a transformative journey waiting for you, one that leads to financial freedom through discipline and knowledge. Imagine stepping into a vibrant space where every glowing candlestick chart illuminates the possibilities that lie ahead. It's not magic, it's a craft, a blend of skills that anyone can master with the right mindset.
The foundation of trading begins with education. Before venturing into the markets, familiarize yourself with the basic concepts, candlestick patterns, market trends, and various asset types like stocks, Forex, and cryptocurrencies. Understanding these core principles is essential, as they will serve as the building blocks of your trading journey. By harnessing resources such as online courses, trading communities, and simulation platforms, you can gain the insights and experience needed to navigate this captivating landscape.
Once you've grasped the fundamentals, it's time to put your knowledge into practice. Creating a demo account allows you to trade without the risk of losing real money. Here, the charts come alive. Every candle tells a story, and every spike paints a picture of potential. Use this opportunity to develop and test your strategies. This phase is crucial, not just for honing your technical skills, but for managing your emotional reactions to market fluctuations. Remember, successful trading requires discipline and an understanding of risk management.
As you continue on this path, you will learn to embrace strategy, be it day trading, swing trading, or a long-term investment approach. Each trader has a unique style that resonates with their personality and goals. It's essential to develop a trading plan that outlines your objectives and the metrics you'll use to gauge success. Stick to this plan, adjust it when necessary, and remain patient. In this world, patience pays off as much as the profits do.
Ultimately, trading is about more than just making money. It's a personal evolution. You'll learn about yourself and your reactions to wins and losses. You will adapt, grow, and potentially find a path that not only leads you to financial independence, but also enriches your understanding of economics and investment. As you traverse this enchanted forest of financial opportunities,
are you ready to take that first step? Subscribe now to access a wealth of resources and guidance designed to help you succeed. With each click, you move closer to unlocking the secrets of trading, equipped with the knowledge and confidence needed to thrive. Welcome to your new beginning, and let's walk this path together, towards financial freedom and beyond.